Just before we get to that 3-minute mark, let's see where our fish is. Let's see how well done or how done it is, everyone here. Good vibes. Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay. This is actually a good look. The fish, you can do a fish in the air fryer. You can do something else in the next. Yo, this is an air fryer fish, you know. Oh my days. First of all, I have to say this is wonderful. Look at that. Yeah, man. Welcome everybody to 24-Hour Kitchen with Dare. I'm Ringo Vision people, yeah. So today is something different. Normally I'm on the program, yeah. I'm frying a fish, I'm steaming a fish, or I'm roasting a fish, or I'm stuffing a fish, and I'm putting it in the oven. Today's completely different. We've got a Ninja air fryer, everybody, yeah? And we're going to be cooking with the air fryer. So what we've got here, we're going to be placing our temperature on like 170 degrees, everybody, yeah? And I have a sea bass here that's pre-seasoned from the night before. And what I'm going to be doing now is just popping it into the air fryer, everybody, yeah? And we're just going to test the levels of the air fryer, literally, and see the difference on how the air fryer does the fish. See if it brings it out nice in a perfectionate way, people, yeah? Big up yourself, 24-Hour Kitchen with Dare, our good vibes. Right, everyone, so I've got some olive oil here, olive oil spray. So I'm going to spray my fish so that it gets like a little oily coating. And then I'm going to pop it into the air fryer, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself. Okay. Nicely, just give it a, that's it, good vibes. Alright, so you put some like, you know, like baking paper in the air fryer. And just, you understand, people, so it's got like a nice, it's not actually on the surface of the air fryer itself, so good vibes. Alright, look at that, man, good vibes. Ho, ho, ho! Yeah, man, look. The fish actually fits in there. So you know what it is now, everyone, yeah? So let me close up, yeah? And just press start or stop. And it's gonna go for 15 minutes, people, yeah? So I'll just be, when it reaches about 10 minutes left, we'll be opening up and we check where it's at, everybody, yeah? Today, we're frying a fish in the air fryer. We're just showing you that it's simple, quickly. If you're at home and you want to make a quick, simple meal, bam, and you have an air fryer. Let's see the finishing outcome, people, yeah? A good vibes, big up yourself. That is it. So we've got 14 minutes left. Let's go. Okay, everyone, in the meantime, yeah, what I'm going to be doing, I've got a yampi that I bought the other day, yeah, in the market. This is a Jamaican yam, yeah? Alright, a good vibes. And I've got the cassava as well, everyone, yeah? And I've got a plantain as well. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to prepare our meal. The fish is in the air fryer, so let's get busy because we want to be on time. So that's got 14 minutes. So let's peel these up. I've got a frying pan here, and I've got a pan of boiling hot water, that I'm gonna turn on and just make it bubble up, and then start to peel my ingredients and start to put my ingredients into the pan. You know the plantain already. We're gonna fry the plantain, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You don't know, I'm Ringo Vision, 24-Hour Kitchen. We're fully active, good vibes. That is it, everybody. Looks okay. Look at this here. This is the cassava. The cassava is more of a harder root vegetable to boil up. So I'm gonna put this one here in the pot first. Wow, see the people, yeah? So I put the cassava in first because this needs a longer boiling time than this is the yampi. This is the yam, yeah, but it's a different type of yam. It's called the yampi. Yeah, man, it's got a nice sweetish type of taste as well, a good vibe. So, but what we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna let the cassava go and boil up for about 10 minutes, a good vibes. All right, so I've just quickly stopped the fish so that you can see where I go on. All right, let's go back again now. All right, back in action, people, yeah. So now we've got our cassava boiling, we've got our fish in the air fryer, we've got our yampi here waiting in some water, and we're gonna peel our plantain and fry up our plantain as well, and that's gonna be part of our overall to complete our meal today, people. Yeah, big up yourself. If you don't know what I'm I'm Ringo Vision. You're locked into 24-hour kitchen. Our good vibes, bubbling, steam, good vibes. You can hear the air fryer in the background. Let's check in on the fish, people. Yeah, because we don't know so things are going in the center. Wow. Hey. Now look at this, things are going. Let's look up back here, because look, the fish is actually coming like it's flying, people, yeah? Wow, look at that. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen with Daya. We're actually cooking a fish in the Ninja air fryer. We're proving today that the Ninja technology, all right, it a gone. The time that we've got left, you see that as well, people. So we're working with an efficient, super efficient time. The temperature that we're on today is 170 degrees as well. Our good vibes. We've got the cassava air boiling, and we still got the yampi that we're gonna put into the into the pan halfway when the cassava boils, because the cassava takes a longer boiling time. These are the things that you have to kind of know when you're using different root vegetables as well, because some of them have longer boiling time, so you have to put some in the water before others. Big up yourself, people. 24-hour kitchen with Daya. So look at this, everybody. We're counting down to actually almost 3 minutes exactly, but just before we get to that 3-minute mark, let's see where our fish is. Let's see how well done or how done it is, everyone. Yeah, good vibes. Okay, wow, look at that. Okay, it's getting to a crisp. It's on that almost is 12 minutes. Look, 3 minutes and 1 second left. So that means for 12 minutes so far it's been in our air fryer and things are going, everybody. So let's just pop it back in, and we're just gonna let it just go on for a little bit longer. Our good vibes. There we go, 3 minutes, 2 minutes 59, 2 minutes 50. All right, well, you get the drift, you get the drift, you get the drift. Check up. All right, you get the drift. Let's do a tester with a fork to see how done our cassava is. Good vibes. We're actually at a really good point here. All right, so the cassava, yeah, I think it can boil for a couple more minutes before I put the actual yampi in, because you see cassava, yeah, it's actually one of them ones that take a little while to boil out before it mashes out in the pan. So we've got a good time left, and the yam is a bit more delicate to boil. So yeah, man, we'll just let the cassava go and boil for a little bit longer, and then we'll just get back in a second, people. Yeah, a good vibes. We're almost coming down to a completion, everyone. Yeah, big up yourself. 1 minute 30 seconds left. All right, everybody, look. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at this. Wait. Let's take this up. Let's take that. Come on, let's go over here. Because I really want to see what the air fryer has done with my fish. All right, let's. Wow, look at that. It feels quite crispy in here. Good vibes. Nice. It feels soft. It feels stiff. All right, everybody. So what I'm gonna do now, yeah. You see, because Ringo likes to have things well done, we're gonna make sure that this fish is well done today, people. Yeah. So we're gonna put it back in on the next 170 degrees. It's going to be 15 minutes, but we're going to have it in there for maybe like 7.5 minutes, 10 minutes. So it gets a good 25 minutes frying time, a good vibes, air fry time, I mean, good vibes in there. And then let's set up. Let's have this on 190 actually, yeah, a bit hotter. Let's go. That is it. So we're proper on track right now. So you see the yampi, you can start to place them in the boiling hot water with the cassava. Yeah, man, and let them just like blend in with the whole boiling process. like saying not like they were in there from long time. Good vibes, big up yourself everybody, yeah. Cassava, and it's a white yam, but this white yam is actually called a yam pea. Yam pea, yeah man, good vibes. So what I've got here is half of red pepper and a whole tomato that I'm gonna be using to just finish off my meal today, everybody, yeah. Alright, good vibes. Yes, everybody, look at that golden color of the planting. That's what we're looking for, people. Yeah, so just gonna let that just go and fry for just a little bit longer, and we're almost at completion. But we're there in the kitchen. Good vibes. So nice and simple. We just fry our planting on a nice low heat. Nice golden color we're looking for, everybody. Yeah, man, I've good vibes. I've actually stopped the fish right now, so we're just waiting for the planting to fry up. I've actually turned off our pan as well, everybody. So our good vibes. Cassava and the yam has been boiled nicely. Yeah, man, that's what we've been looking for. All right, nice one, everybody. Serve up time in a sec. All right, everybody. So we're at our final stage. So what I've actually done here, I've taken the cassava from out of the pan of boiling water. I've left the other bits of the yam in the water, and look what's happening. Wow, look at that. Look at our fish. We soon take this out, people. Yeah, our good vibes. We've got 4 minutes 20 seconds left from the initial 15 minutes that we've started over again. So altogether, the fish, we're giving it a 30 minutes because I like my fish well done. So because we're using the air fryer, I go and give it 30 minutes. It's almost at completion. And then what I'm gonna do in the meantime, yeah, is just turn on the other side of the air fryer, which is this side here. 190 degrees we're gonna have it on. Let's go. And before we go, I'm gonna be using the all-purpose seasoning mix, people, yeah. Sprinkle a bit of seasoning on our cassava, just give it a little bit of flair. Good vibes. That is it. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, man, just give it a little touch them. Listen in the corner. Not too much. That's it. Let's go. 15 minutes. Oh, wow, wow, wow. We reached that point in the program. The cassava is looking so good in the air fryer. Wow. Woo! Look at our fish as well, everybody. So we're going to just set everything out on a plate right now. And I'm going to show you the full turnout of half boiling the cassava and then doing the whole fish, then cutting up some tomatoes and some red peppers, sprinkled some black pepper on the tomato, people. So a good vibe. We're going to serve up in a second and then show you the finishing outcome. Was it worth putting the fish in the air fryer? That's the main thing, everybody, yeah? All right, let's wait and see. Good vibes. This is actually a good look. The fish, you can do a fish in the air fryer. You can do something else in the next drawer. Look, 1, 2. Yeah, man, we use a ninja today now, people. Yeah, man, we use a ninja. A good vibes. Look at that, a good vibes. So, yeah, man, we're gonna serve up a good vibes. Yo, this is the air fryer fish, you know. Oh my days. First of all, I have to say this is wonderful. Look at that. Yeah, man, this was all done in the air fryer, people, yeah. A good vibes. A fish from the air fryer, you know. A good vibes. How does it look, everybody? Let's taste this and see how this tastes. Wow. No joke thing, Ringo. You weren't playing. Alright. Look at this, everybody. The cassava, you know. No. This is so, wow, soft, fluffy.